All right, we're here today with some big news from the Bank of Canada as they decided to cut the overnight lending rate by 50 basis points to 3.25%. Hey everybody, my name is Brad.gagne. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty here in Calgary, and today we're going to discuss the news from the Bank of Canada and their interest rate cut. So if you're somebody who has been considering getting in the market, whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor, make sure you watch this video and we will discuss how this latest cut could affect you both positively or negatively. All right, so let's talk about some of the pros this interest rate cut provides. So instantly, when we think of lower interest rates, we think of borrowing money. So we automatically go towards the buyers. Everybody is going to see this interest rate cut as a real positive for people either looking to buy their first homes or sell and upgrade into something different. And yes, by the interest rate coming down, it's going to give buyers more power when they go into the market looking for a home. Lower interest rates means they'll be able to borrow more money at smaller costs, giving them a lot more options when they go shopping. So people buying home for personal use aren't the only ones who are going to benefit from this latest cut. We're also going to see investors benefit greatly. So with the interest rates quite high and it being a lot harder to get into properties, we have seen investors kind of back off from the market. But now that those interest rates are coming down, we're going to see those people looking to buy homes to rent out and earn income start to go up again. Obviously, when the monthly bills come down, you're going to see people who are looking to do this as a business come back into the market, buy those homes at a much more affordable rate to them, and then turn around and rent those out. This could be seen as a positive if you're a renter. Hopefully this means the rental market will start to steady off and we'll start to see those monthly rates start to even out and become a little more affordable. Also, for those people who have been looking to get into real estate investing, this could also be a great positive, as now you'll be able to get into properties and you won't have to worry about whether or not you'll be able to afford to hold on to that property while you look for people to live in it. Another group of people that'll benefit from this aren't buyers or sellers, but current homeowners. With interest rates coming down, those people who have variable rate mortgages, who have seen their monthly bills increase significantly over the last few years, are hopefully going to see a little bit of relief now, bringing those monthly payments down a little bit more into what they can afford, and hopefully giving them a little more disposable income to go out and enjoy everyday activities with their friends and family. Okay, so we've talked about a few pros for people looking to buy homes, but what about a pro if you're looking to sell a home? We don't initially go to a rate cut being something great for people looking to sell their home, but because we have had so many people saying they're waiting for rates to come down before they purchase that new home, this could mean for people who have been thinking about selling their home coming into the end of 2024 or going into spring of 2025, we could have a lot more people looking to purchase homes. And if we don't see inventory increase and match the amount of consumer interest in purchasing homes, this could mean you could sell your home for a lot more money. All right, so we've heard some of the pros about this interest rate cut. Let's talk about some of the cons and why right now might be the best time to buy a house if you're interested before we see that spring rush of home buyers. One of the biggest things I've heard from a lot of people looking to buy a home is that we're waiting for interest rates to come down. Well, now they've come down, and what can we expect to see? Well, potentially a large surge of buyers coming into the market. And why is this a negative? Well, if you remember a couple years ago, we had very low inventory, lots of people looking to buy, and what that led to was bidding wars. And you were seeing homes on the market for, say, $600,000. They'd be on the market for 2 or 3 days. They'd get 50 offers, and that home with an original price tag of $600,000 would sell for $650,000, $660,000, or even more, leaving a lot of people out there shopping, believing that they had the budget to buy their dream home, only to be disappointed when they got outbid over and over and over again. With this latest round of cut, the expectation is a lot of people are now in a position where they feel they can afford the home, and should see a surge of home buyers coming back onto the market. We're still seeing inventory being a challenge in the housing market. So we have seen it go up a little bit as consumer interest in homes in the wintertime has kind of leveled off and gone down a little. But if buyers are all of a sudden interested in getting back into the market with the cut, then that limited inventory challenge is also going to cause issues with home buyers because there's just not that much on the market. So if we see a flood of people coming in the spring, they've got pre-approved for their mortgage and they're ready to buy, but that inventory levels haven't adjusted and gone up with the demand, then we are going to see housing prices increase again, and we're going to see home buyers struggling to purchase a home. This next con could be seen as a positive as well, depending on what side of the real estate market you fall on. But if interest rates go down and the buyers start flooding the market again, what we are going to see is housing costs start to go up. So if you're selling a house, this is obviously a pro. It means the value of your home is going to increase and you're going to get more up for it at the time of selling. But if you're a home buyer, those increased house costs could offset any savings from a rate cut. Also, we've already seen that it's quite hard for first-time home buyers to get into their first homes. And if we start to see those housing costs go up significantly, then we could see first-time home buyers again just kind of being pushed out of the market or having to buy properties that maybe they're not all that interested in right now. All right, so who really benefits from this interest rate cut? Well, I think anybody looking to invest in real estate is going to have a great opportunity right now. Their monthly costs are coming down and they'll be able to purchase homes and rent them out, as there are lots of people looking to rent. There are very little options for them, and what options are available are pretty high. So anybody looking to buy a income property has a great opportunity right now. I also think there's a small window here where first-time home buyers have an opportunity to get into the market. We have seen the price for condos, duplexes, row houses, that kind of style home has leveled off a little bit. Competition for them has come down. So anybody looking to get into that market has an opportunity to buy right now. But those single detached homes, the really popular homes, the family homes that everybody is looking to get into, this mortgage cut could cause those house prices to continue to climb. We still have an inventory shortage in the Calgary market for those single detached family homes. And if we have a lot of people who now can afford a mortgage for them flooding the market, then we're going to see those housing costs continue to rise and people still struggling to purchase their dream homes. As always, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. My contact information is in the description below. If you're looking to get into the market, whether you're a buyer, seller, investor, I'd love to help out, answer any questions you have. So make sure you reach out today and let's talk about what some of your goals are in the real estate market for 2025. Have a great day, guys.